The next is about winter pleasures, they call it. Get up to the winter pleasures. You have 50% off when you wanna go to Lucerne, where they have a light festival happening. Okay. Then they tell you that this Swiss Pass, this little card, is your key to all of the mobility, car sharing, like renting it is, or bike renting, and also the snow gear you can rent, and then of course the cable cars that you want to take. So now we have some other places here where you can go. This one, which looks like this. Okay. Then we have this one, which looks like this. Then we got this one. I've been here in the summer. It's really nice. Secluded area of Switzerland. You get there by just one train, and then you have to go all the way back again. Then at the station of Airolo, when you go hitchhiking in the summer again, I once was drying my top in the toilet's hand dryer because it got wet because of constant rain. So when you want to go to the south of Switzerland, you pass Airolo. I know that place. That's how it looks like here. Nice. Then you again got this Engelberg Titlis. And then some running. And some free riding. They're advertising. I just drove by a place where they were doing this sport. There is a trail. And I took a train today where I was at stations, and on one station I got all these booklets, so I was driving past the place where people were on these kind of trails. And then a little bit up the mountains we have another one. Up there in the summertime you have a lot of people going there by the bicycle. And now there is just a trail to do this sport. So you're pretty much on your own when you go there. When I went there now it's a year ago, I saw 2 people on the way up, and I saw maybe 2 or 3 cars up there just parking, and then I saw 1 person doing this sport on this rail. So that was it. And it was high season. It was good snow, good winter, with sun and all. So we're through this booklet. So you can tell that whatever people can do on or in or with snow, even if it is like walking they had, running they had, this they had, skiing they had, and sledge riding they have. They are advertising. But they don't advertise anything slow, anything like slow food. That'll be next thing you'll see maybe, because we have a old population in Switzerland, and you have to advertise stuff to them that kind of fits their needs. So they would love to go somewhere, sit somewhere, eat in the snow and do nothing but watch the mountains. Like when you come from the cities or from the north part, the northern flat region in Switzerland, you don't know about the mountains. You could stare at them a whole day and haven't seen it all by night, just because they're new to your eyes. And also, when you have mountains, depending on the weather, they always look different throughout the day. depending on what kind of light they get, the sun traveling around them, and then also what time of the day it is. If it's early in the morning, you have some clouds around them. Midday, you have them all clear like this, and then in the evening again, you get some clouds maybe. You know, it always differs. So you would love to just look at stuff. I tell you, because when I go by bike, I have the time to look at stuff. I just don't go somewhere by train, and then again I'm moving downhill and stuff, always moving, always dealing with gadgets like helmet, the glasses, the sticks, the ski shoes. You know, that's all gadgets and gears you have to take care of. But if you go by bike, you just have your bike and you look around and you see it all. That's cool.